Good morning, friends, and welcome to the SBI Securities morning podcast. Talking about how our markets fared yesterday. Then the benchmark indices extended the winning run for the second consecutive session yesterday, with Nifty crossing 26,200 mark for the first time since September 2024. At close, Sensex was up 0.52% and Nifty was up 0.54%. However, the broader markets they continued to underperform. On the fund flow side, FII's net bought stocks worth rupees 283 crore and DIIs were also net buyers of stock worth rupees 824 crore in the cash market yesterday. For today, the GIFT Nifty is trading lower at around 26,158, which indicates a weak start for our market today. The key event to watch today would be our PM Narendra Modi's visit to Johannesburg, South Africa, wherein he will attend the G20 Leaders Summit, which will be held from November 21 to November 23rd. Talking about the US market, the Wall Street stocks they slid on Thursday in a sharp reversal from an early rally as technology gains faded after a boost was provided from Nvidia's market topping earnings. However, the US jobs data that muddied the labor market outlook also gave out a negative sentiment to the market. At close, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.84%, the S&P 500 lost 1.56%, and the Nasdaq Composite also dropped 2.15%. Currently, the dollar index is at around 100.17, USD INR at 88.7, and Brent crude at around 62.71. Talking about the Asian markets, they extended a global beating in the early trade today as the much awaited US jobs data failed to provide clarity on the interest rates, and the investors were seen returning to dumping the riskier assets even after Nvidia's blockbuster earnings. Coming back to our markets today, TCS will be in focus as it has announced a strategic partnership with TPG to support the growth of its AI data center business by the name of Hypervault. In this agreement, both the partners have combined to commit to investing up to rupees 18,000 crore over the next few years. Of the total commitment, TPG will invest up to rupees 8,820 crore and is expected to have a final shareholding between 27.5% to 49% in Hypervault. Another company which will be in focus today is JSW Energy, as the company has received COC approval for the corporate insolvency resolution plan of Raigad Champa Rail Infra. Another company in focus would be HG Infra Engineering, as the company has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary by the name of HG Clean Energy Solutions, which will undertake solar, green hydrogen, and battery storage businesses. So, positive for all the stocks today. Godrej Properties will also be in focus as the company has acquired a 75-acre land parcel in Nagpur, which has an estimated revenue potential of rupees 755 crore. This is also positive for the company. On the corporate action side, Bharat Rasayan will be in focus as the company has fixed December 12 as the record date for its 1:2 stock split and 1:1 bonus issue. Additionally, Kotak Bank will be in focus as the company's board will meet today to consider the stock split.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.